Hello everyone, so this is a different video. I went out for peg hunting and came back to make this. So I got the MK's cars here with me today. Soak in the view, right? It's quite nice, sunny and a bit of overcast kind of weather. I am in my car right now. So yeah, today we have these with us. My wife's back there recording me and me recording this. So today we have this one first, 73 Honda Civic Custom. Very nice, very cool car. This is the same color as the Audi Avant in the previous case, almost same color. Stay tuned for the videos, so we'll see that. I'm so in full of doubt, like I don't want to uncard these cars, or should I keep them carded, or should I uncard them for the videos and all. So this is the first one. I got ton of them here, not ton, but yeah, this is one here. Which one is this? So this is 15 Jaguar F-Type Project 7. This was there in the last case, I guess, but yeah, I got this one too. Very nice color. This video could be a bit longer than anticipated, so sit back and enjoy your videos in full screen. So this is the art car, 57 Chevy. It says T on the top. Nice car. I like this one a lot. Next one, what we have? Okay, fine. We'll take this Batmobile. Batman and Robin Batmobile. Nice blue color. Looks very nice. Yeah. Next one, what we have is Max Steel. This is also a cool car. We don't get the driver though. The seat is quite empty. Yeah. Next, what we have the Hirohata Merc. Very nice, very popular car. Couldn't get the Treasure Ant. I missed that one. Also missed the Bugatti and Corvette Stingray. This is a 99 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. This is also a very nice car. Then what we have? What else we have? We have the Ram 23-1500. Okay, nice. This is the one car that in this case has complete front and rear details. See, tampo work is done good. This looks very nice. This is factory fresh. Okay, a 7 out of 10. Please don't play any songs. Yeah. This is the Vespa 90 SS Super Sprint 1966. This is a very cool two-wheeler, moped or motorcycle. No, not motorcycle, moped. Yeah, it looks nice. Then we have this one. This is a very nice car. The color is absolutely amazing. Toyota GR86 Cup. Nice front details, no rear details. Nice. What do we have next? I love this car. 68 Dodge Dart. This is really such an amazing car. I'm happy that I got my hands on it and I bought it. Look at the cars, how I placed them. So this is a fantasy casting, Ravager ST. It looks very cool. Yeah, some muscle car elements here going on. Nice tires. Yeah, we'll have to wait for the full review. Okay, I'll place it here. We have this one, 67 Lotus Type 49. This is also from the previous case. I couldn't get it then, so I got it now. I will make some detailing on the head of this driver, like the the goggles and the helmet. Yeah. Next we have one of the again cool castings of this case, Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk. This is a very nice and very perfectly tuned car. I'll have to compare it with the normal version that was there in the last case. And last but not the least, we have the 49 Drag Merc. Absolutely nice. It looks like you know, the paint feels like Zamac, but I don't know, it could be like that. So it's a nice car. So these were the cars that I got on the pegs. What else do we have? Let me know your favorite from this case. Okay, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for these videos. I've missed on some good cars this time around. The Bugatti Chiron, 16 Bugatti Chiron. Which one else? Ford GT Mark 4. I've ordered that, and we also have a Nissan 96 Nissan SX Type X. So I've ordered that too. It's on the way. What else have I missed? Corvette Stingray I've mentioned. The one thing that I mentioned, missed here, I have also mentioned that I don't have the treasure hunt with me. So that's it. It was a great peg hunt, and I loved it. I also had the case for me to, you know, check around for all the cars. But I managed to get all these. Yeah. So back to the view. I hope you liked the video. It was like around 7 minutes long. Please do give it a like, share, subscribe, and yeah, we are up to 50 followers now, 50 subscribers on the channel. So yeah, that's a great thing. Okay, bye bye.